Have you ever thought about planting a financial seed for the next generation, a seed that could blossom into a flourishing tree of wealth long before they even understand what compound interest is? Imagine giving your child, grandchild, niece, or nephew a head start in life, a tangible asset that grows with them, preparing them for future milestones like education, a first home, or even launching their own business. If the idea of empowering the young people in your life with a significant financial advantage resonates with you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a powerful tool that often gets overlooked in the Canadian financial landscape, the Wealthsimple Junior Custodial account. While registered education savings plans, or RESPs, often steal the spotlight when it comes to saving for a child's future education, a junior custodial account offers a unique blend of flexibility and control that can be incredibly appealing for a broader range of financial goals. We're going to break down everything you need to know about these accounts, what they are, how they work on Wealthsimple, the undeniable benefits they offer, the potential tax considerations you should be aware of, and even how they stack up against other options like RESPs. So, buckle up, because by the end of this, you'll have a clear understanding of whether a Wealthsimple Junior Custodial account is the right move for securing a brighter financial future for the young people you care about. What exactly is a Junior Custodial account? Let's start with the basics. A Junior Custodial account, often operating under the Uniform Gifts to Minors Act, UGMA, or Uniform Transfers to Minors Act, UTMA, in other jurisdictions, though in Canada, it functions more like an informal trust, is a type of investment account opened by an adult for the benefit of a minor. The key here is the custodian, that's you, the adult. You have full control over the account and the investments within it until the minor reaches the age of majority, which is typically 18 or 19 in Canada, depending on the province. At that point, legal ownership of the assets automatically transfers to the child. Think of it like this: you're the designated driver for their financial journey, holding the steering wheel and making all the decisions, but the car and everything in it ultimately belongs to them. This arrangement is designed to allow assets to grow over time, managed by a responsible adult, until the beneficiary is old enough to manage them themselves. Unlike some other accounts, there are generally no contribution limits to a junior custodial account, beyond potential gift tax exclusions. This means you can contribute as much as you like, whenever you like, allowing for substantial wealth building over many years. Why Wealthsimple for a junior custodial account? Wealthsimple has become a household name in Canada for its accessible and user-friendly approach to investing. They've made investing simple, affordable, and, dare I say, even enjoyable for many Canadians. This same philosophy extends to their junior custodial accounts. Here's why choosing Wealthsimple for this type of account makes a lot of sense. Ease of use. Wealthsimple's platform is renowned for its intuitive interface. Setting up an account is straightforward, and managing investments is simple, even for those new to the world of investing. No complex paperwork or confusing jargon. Low fees. Wealthsimple offers competitive fee structures. Whether you opt for their managed investing, robo-advisor, service or self-directed investing, you will benefit from low management fees or commission-free trading, ensuring more of your money goes towards growing the child's wealth. Diversified investing. With Wealthsimple Managed Investing, you get access to globally diversified portfolios tailored to your risk tolerance. This means the child's investments are spread across various asset classes, helping to reduce risk and maximize long-term growth. If you prefer self-directed, you have the freedom to invest in stocks, ETFs, and more. Automatic contributions. Life gets busy. Wealthsimple makes it easy to set up recurring contributions, so you can automate your saving strategy and consistently add to the account without having to remember. Accessibility. Wealthsimple's mobile app and web platform mean you can monitor and manage the account from anywhere, at any time. The undeniable benefits of a junior custodial account. Now, let's talk about why you might seriously consider opening a Wealthsimple Junior Custodial account. The benefits are numerous and can have a profound impact on a child's future. Early start to investing and compound growth. This is perhaps the most significant advantage. The earlier you start investing, the more time compounding has to work its magic. Even small, consistent contributions over many years can grow into a substantial sum. Imagine a child receiving a gift for their first birthday, invested in a custodial account. By the time they're 18, that initial gift, plus subsequent contributions and their earnings, could be a life-changing amount. Financial education. While you control the account, it presents an incredible opportunity to teach the child about money, saving, and investing as they grow older. You can involve them in discussions about the investments, explain how the market works, and show them the power of long-term thinking. This hands-on learning can be far more impactful than theoretical lessons. Flexibility in usage. Unlike RESPs, which are specifically for post-secondary education, the funds in a junior custodial account can be used for any purpose that benefits the child once they reach the age of majority. This could include higher education, tuition, books, living expenses, even international study. Down payment for a home, a significant head start in a competitive housing market. Starting a business, seed money for an entrepreneurial venture. Major life events, a wedding, travel, or other significant life goals. Financial safety net, a fund for unexpected expenses or emergencies. This flexibility is a huge differentiator and provides peace of mind that the money won't be locked into a single purpose. No contribution limits. Generally, while there might be gift tax considerations for very large contributions, which we'll touch on shortly, there are no inherent annual or lifetime contribution limits imposed by the account itself, unlike RESPs or TFSAs. This allows for aggressive saving if your financial situation permits. Simplified estate planning. For grandparents or other family members, a junior custodial account can be a straightforward way to transfer wealth to a younger generation without the complexities of a formal trust. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.